Okay, so guys, our next topic is boiler accumulation pressure test. So the boiler accumulation pressure test we do for to check the lift of the safety valve when pressure of boiler is accumulated within 10% above the working pressure. And this test is done only for the auxiliary boiler without superheater, because as we know in superheater the rate of steam production will be very high because superheater works above the 100 degree Celsius temperature. So this is only for the auxiliary boiler without superheater. So how we will do the boiler accumulation pressure test? There are some steps we follow. First, we take the sufficient water in the boiler. Then we will feed inlet valve will close. Then the steam outlet valve will close. Then fire the boiler with full load at 100% fuel quantity. Then we'll check the pressure at which the safety valve lift. It will be around the 3% of the working pressure, and it is called the blow up pressure. If the working pressure is 10 bar, then the safety valve lift pressure or the blow up pressure will be 10.3 bar. Now if the safety valve is lift, then we will ensure that both the safety valve must be lift, and after the both safety valve will lift, we will start a timing. According to the boiler type, we have different timing. For the water tube boiler we have the 7 minutes, and for the smoke tube boiler we have the 14 minutes timing for boiler accumulation pressure test. And we'll check the pressure inside the boiler and should not exceed 10% of the working pressure. And after that we'll check the pressure at which the safety valve closes. This is called the resetting pressure, which will be 3% below the working pressure. If the working pressure is 10 bar, then it will be 9.7 bar, and then the test will be end. And guys, if the above condition is not satisfied, then the test will be failed. Above condition means the safety valve must lift, and both safety valve must lift at 10% of above the working pressure. And if the water level goes down too much during your test, then we have to stop the test and stop the firing, and after that we will restart the test. And never perform accumulation of pressure test where a superheater is present, as we already told, because in superheater the rate of steam production is very high. It will give the wrong indication. Okay.